We are finally here. Last episode of the series. Now that you have learned everything, first go ahead and implement all of that. Refactor your code base. Then come to this final episode, right? Because this is where we bring all of it together, right? What you have to do here is you have to make sure that each and every prompt has the context behind it. Why, I'll tell you. Because the README of your code base will have a lot of unnecessary information that a prompt does not need, right? So we need to add very focused rules because only specificity or only focused rules can give you good behavior. If you write vague rules or if you write vague things in README, that does not give you a good result at all. Okay. So what we'll do is we will create a directory for rules, right? Keep all our rules there in sub files, right, by the file name.md, or sorry, rule name.md. Then in the root directory, depending on whatever you're using, right, we will create different tool files. These tool files will just be pointers to those files, right? Tool files could be for cursor rules, right? Then we could have claude.md for Claude. Copilot could have its own instructions, and continue rules could have its own instructions. What you can do is any tool you want to use, just tell that tool, okay, this rules directory has all the rules. Okay, create a pointer file in the root for how you want to use it. It will do it. Okay. For any particular rule, what you want to do is you need to have these 5 sections: architecture summary, 2 or 3 line summary max, then the folder structure, if it has a folder structure, right? The naming conventions, if it has a naming conventions, the exact rules, right, and examples of do's and don'ts. Okay, this is the concrete structure. Always have This is the concrete structure for do's and don'ts. Always have do's like data fetching using React query in this folder, schemas uh, via Zod, right? UI from design system, strings wrapped, always wrapped in translation keys, etc. And then don'ts, right? What you actually got to do is very simple. Go to, if you don't want to do all of this, and just take all that we have learned, right, in 2 or 3 prompts, and ask your agent to create rules for you. It will do it. Okay, it will do it. Don't worry about it. And that's pretty much it. This is the end of the series. Now go build. See you.